I'm good to go.
Yeah, we start opening it.
Well, I don't want to open it.
You want to save the best for last?
We can. I mean, that's kind of math that's worth of shit.
There you go. You just gotta get in. Oh.
I wonder what's last.
Cool. You gotta show us everything.
I don't know what the hell I ordered.
Take it all out of the box then.
Yeah.
We'll show you. Oh, nice.
Nice. Right on
Sure.
shirts. That's open. Push 6 mags.
Here's everything you ordered. Plus the max. Nice.
Okay. What's in here?
That's
Probably
probably
charger.
your red dot.
No,
No,
red
just
dot's right
kidding.
there.
I'm stupid. So that's supposed to be a auto balance charger, so it's really good. Well, we already know what that is.
What?
I said we already know what this is.
Yeah. It's good to have it open now.
Yeah. Matrix. Oh, that just says caution. I'm stupid. I guess you have a little box plugged into. Is that what that is?
I'm not sure. I sure hope so.
There's some connectors. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Perfect.
Good deal. Next thing.
Next thing. What is this?
Dude battery. That's a LiPo safe bag.
So it doesn't blow up in the bag? Nice.
No, it'll blow up in the bag.
Battery.
Battery number 1. 15C74.
Battery.
Same thing.
I'm surprised.
Nope.
This one open? Yeah.
You're gonna be glad you got that.
Yeah.
Oh, it comes with a lot of stuff.
Battery.
Including the battery. Down key, cleaning cloth.
Instructions, who needs those?
Cool. There's the reticles it has. In red or green. That one's really cool. I like that triangle.
Yeah.
It's got a cover on it.
Silica gel. You want that?
You put it in your gear bags.
I can eat it.
Nice. Red dot sight. Now we can open the big dog. Oh boy. Whatever it is.
Oh, that's nice paper.
Stop.
What do you mean?
What's all that on the back?
I don't know. It just says, "Do not return this product to the store." Okay.
Now I'm just going.
That's unfortunate.
Oh, and it even came with a battery.
Yeah.
So there's your dummy round. Yeah. Is that a hot cap? Turn it over. Turn it back over. No, it's a mid cap. Huh. That's cool.
I don't know what that means, but yeah.
Don't ever use that.
Don't reuse this.
No, I got a smart charger you can use. For
Okay.
that battery. So you got 3 batteries, so.
Yeah.
Oh, and it came with a speed loader.
Dope.
Dang, that's a. What's that? What's that?
It's 1100.
What is this? A 9.6?
I have no clue.
9.6. Wow. Okay. 100 milliamp hours. You got a speed loader so you can load your mag and actually shoot it today.
Today.
Yeah. And then the worst part of it all.
The actual gun itself.
And a cleaning engine, you know. Dang, girl.
I think it's pretty heavy.
Yeah. It's got trades on it. Does the bolt work?
Yeah, it does.
Those and extras. Pretty dope.
I think it's pretty dope.
Got some styrofoam on it. Maybe get that off.
Yeah.
Right.
Not a toy. Yeah, it is. Watch this.
Cool.